While there are some early signs that perhaps Sydney and Melbourne markets are starting to moderate, all the evidence suggests that the opposite is happening in many other markets across Australia, including in Perth. Now, the Perth market is undoubtedly the strongest it has been since the end of that big resources investment boom almost 10 years ago. After several years of downturn, the Perth market moved into recovery mode in 2020 and then became considerably stronger in 2021. And all the indications suggest that 2022 will be a boom year in Perth. There has been a flurry of sales activity across the market in recent times, but it has not yet translated into major growth in house prices. CoreLogic claims that the median house price for Perth has risen just 7% in the past year, while the SQM Research annual growth figure for Perth, as at April 2022, is 11%. And these numbers, I have to say, do not really correlate with the anecdotal evidence from the coalface of the property industry in Perth. Valuers, buyers agents, selling agents, and individual investors report to us a highly competitive market in which properties are selling quickly for higher than expected prices. The Perth market is considerably more buoyant than the price data suggests. And looking across all of the available evidence, I expect 2022 to be a stronger year for price growth in the Western Australian capital than those recent figures from CoreLogic and SQM Research. There is an accumulation of positive factors likely to generate stronger prices, including the reopening of the state's borders as well as international borders, the uplift in the Western Australian economy, Perth's status as the most affordable capital city in Australia, very low vacancy rates, with SQM Research and Domain both reporting a citywide vacancy rate for Perth of just 0.5%, strongly rising residential rents as a consequence, and sales activity happening at record levels. Our analysis of the quarterly data on sales volumes shows that the Perth market is now at the highest levels that we have seen since we started our quarterly surveys 7 years ago. And now that people can move freely into and out of Perth and Western Australia, we expect this to be a busy year in real estate, with prices rising at rates that will exceed those in some of the bigger capital cities.